image on the slide. Notice the detailed CAD model display on the screen. Many students look at the model like this and think that's engineering. Professional engineers think very differently. They understand that CAD is not the engineering. CAD is the result of the engineering. Everything we have this module leads to this moment. Requirements, benchmarking, reverse engineering, trade-off analysis, decision metrics, decision reviews. All of this activity happen before the CAD model becomes meaningful. A beautiful CAD model can still represent a poor engineering solution. Why? So, because geometry alone does not guarantee performance, it does not guarantee manufacturability, it does not guarantee safety, it does not guarantee success. The CAD model simply communicates engineering decision visually. Think of mathematics. Before solving the equations, you must understand the problem. Similarly, before creating geometry, you must understand what the geometry is intended to achieve. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts required to become professional engineers. Beginners focus on modeling, professionals focus on decision making. The CAD model is simply the final expression of those decisions. The strongest engineers are not necessarily the fastest CAD users. They are the individuals who understand why every dimension, features, and components exist. Because when the reasoning is correct, the geometry becomes the easier to create. Modern engineering extended far beyond the CAD. Today's engineering operates within an entire ecosystem of interconnected digital tools that work together throughout the product development.